So this is the 15-second clip of Instagram story which I had posted earlier, for which I got this DM, and somebody is asking that he or she, I don't remember where I got this DM from. I just took the screenshot, but he or she, that person, is asking me, how do you have that same kind of like layout for Instagram story? What kind of tool or software I'm using? And that is what I'm gonna show you exactly right after this intro. Okay, so the first thing which I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Unfold, which is the application which I have used to create that layout. Now I'm gonna tap on plus sign, click on create, and it will give you a plus sign again. So tap plus to add the first page of your story. And now over here I have just selected this template, alright, the one which has a square on the top, 4 small squares at the bottom. So I tapped on that, and now I uploaded one video which I had shot over here on the top. So on the top I click on plus square and I upload this video which I had recorded. So I can just adjust it wherever I wish to have that. So let's say I adjust it over here, and that's it. Alright, make sure you have the sound on. So I'm gonna mute it right now for the time being, and then tap on the first square, the smaller square, and over there I just inserted all the DMs which I had. So let me just scroll down, and here I go. So I had taken screenshots from my DM just like this one. So I can just click over there, and now I have where it is. So where are the DMs? Oops, I just lost. Yeah, there you go. So here it is, and the third one and the fourth one right over here. There you go. So I have this image and layout, complete layout with 4 small little squares. So I can double tap and I can adjust that too. So if I want to do that, and that's it. Alright, on top of that I can just have the sound effect and things like that. And now I can preview by clicking on the bottom left corner, and this is how it will look like when we upload it on Instagram. And now let's save this, click on page or click on share page to Instagram. If you have missed out on the previous one, do check out this video, latest video from DigiPerform's YouTube channel. Do check out over there. And if you haven't subscribed to these channels, tap on the individual logos, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and I look forward to see you in the next ones. And yes, this is how I record. It's all natural.